Hey guys, Dr. Logan here. I want to show you one quick tip. Some people of you are out there struggling with balance. So one quick thing we can do is as we're starting to work with weights is we can start to get onto a single leg. Now you don't have to elevate one leg completely. You can keep a little bit of a kickstand here, which is still going to allow you to balance through this leg. But now we're going to shift down, reach for a weight, and come back up. You're going to feel all that tension in the back of the leg, which is really going to help to build some strength back there. So you're not going to compensate and overuse this lower back. Hope that helps.